Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm currently in Greece in this beautiful fishing village called Fiskado. We're away on a sailing holiday at the moment. And before I tell you why I'm actually on this channel, I want to show you quickly this thing here, which is behind me. What about that for an incredible little development overlooking a fantastic little marina port in Fiskado. So very interesting. Anyway, I wanted to jump in here really quickly to share two bits of big breaking news from me and my channel, both of which I'm really hoping you'll agree are going to help you. The first one is, I no longer have the website yourfirst4houses.com. Instead, I have a brand new website which is propertyinvestingcourse.com. Now I'll put a link above and also in the description box below. Now I've made this change for one very specific reason. We want to give away a load more free training programs that are going to massively help you on your property investing journey, but I'm also going to be sharing some paid programs as well. Not big, expensive, stupidly priced programs, just stuff that's of a reasonable cost that will absolutely work and transform your investing. So please go and check it out, propertyinvestingcourse.com. You can get some insight into what we're doing there. But the second big bit of breaking news is that on that website you're going to see we've got a brand new webinar. Now, I've been working on this webinar for months. I'm a bit of a geek when it comes to things like PowerPoints and training. I wanted to give you as much helpful content as I possibly could, shoehorned into a 60 to 90 minute webinar. And I think I've done it. I'm going to be sharing with you the 3 golden rules that you absolutely must adhere to if you want to replace your day job income with 3 or 4 investment properties. I'm going to be sharing with you how much money I make from my biggest HMO, the 4 rule properties, basically 30 ways that you can find highly motivated sellers in your investment area, how to find awesome deals, and loads more besides. So you've got to check it out. Go on to propertyinvestingcourse.com. You'll find the link there and also the date for the next webinar. Get yourself registered and I'll see you there. Honestly, the webinar is going to change everything for you. It's going to show you exactly how you can get 3 or 4 investment properties that will replace your day job income and without needing to put loads of money into each and every deal. Thanks so much for watching this short video. I know it's a bit cheesy filming whilst you're away on holiday, but I really hope to see you on the next webinar. Thank you.